Yeah, I hope that none of the Marines are transgendered.
I agree, sir. How's that, sir? If you fall, it's just really far down into the cold water.
I saw Sergeant!
Yeah!
I saw Sergeant.
Yeah, look at him, Sagan. You probably don't want to be like him, do you?
Now you're going to go and straighten this leg, going to be straight down to it's a counterbalance.
Come here, Herring. Why are your rear sights down? Why are your rear sights down?
Rear side up! Oh my God! Get in and shoot around
on your face in the water right now. Right now, go. Under the barbed wire. Under the barbed wire.
Get in! Get in! Get in! Get in the water! Harry! Get in! Oh my God! Venezuela! Sector leader, buddy, cover! Get down, little! Go. 3, 2, 1, go. Go, get over here. Crushed it. Easy. No, same thing. No,
Get to the other side. We're holding security.
I'm making it noise.
Security. Stay in the water.
Get down.
Stay in the water. Use the riverbank as cover. Out for security.
Come here, you. Please, Delta 3. Hey. Delta 3 gonna freaking sew you up. You gonna let Delta 3 sew you up? Up there. Go up there. Pressure on.
Water, you're falling out. Get your face underneath the barbed wire. Look, hit your sector.
On the bar, go.
Put your face in the water, you're falling. Go. Head down, you're falling. The water.
Get in the front.
Get your face in the water, you're going through.
Get in the front. Get in the
Calm down. Calm down. Where's your rifle? Grab your rifle right now. You're calling to the ball.
Okay, combat line lower, no get up.
Aye, aye, Sergeant.
You two wait for my signal to begin.
Amen.
All right, you on my left. Not you. Get up.
Who's that team leader?
Let's go.
You?
Let's go, just get through it. I don't know why we're thinking about it. You don't have to think. Just go. Get your head down.
Good. Go across. You understand? I understand. Make sense? I understand. Yeah. You gotta scream it. Or else you're gonna get called back. Yes, sir. How far?
All right, Furman, you better say it.
Jump into the water.
Yeah, there you go. So you actually commit to it and you won't fall over. All right,
Jump in. Jump in.
Yeah, there it is.
No.
So you're gonna take this fire team, you're gonna get them. Do you see that orange, like the orange glare?
Hurry up, get in there.
Dude, I think.
Are you stressing? There might be. Oh, there's a wall there. This is B2, B3. Yeah. So they're connected, but there's a wall. As long as you're putting those effective fire, like, you know, because you know what I'm saying. Yeah, you really just.
Company objective.
Second tank, company objective.
Or don't!
Turn the staircase or down.
Right, I got you. Ready?
Go. On you. Derby, stand by.
Yeah.
One more. Hey, you're plus up. You got one. All right, so go. Send it.
We'll start the next step.
Yep. How many? Two.
Two lines coming up behind us.
Really?
With a sole clear of A4 and A5. Be prepared to consolidate in A4 and A5.
That happens, we're suppressing A6, so we are able to clear that, right? Or we're moving into A6, and then isolating for that assault to finally get.
In between these two buildings.
Describe the building.
Hey, smoke out! Come back out. If they fucking get out of this 240, I'm gonna tell you where it is and you shoot, alright?
Go, not through there. Let's look through here.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Go, 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 go.
Get it up.
Okay, follow.
On the building across.
Clear.
Follow her.
You gotta get that one. Ready? Hit it. 3, 2, 1. Hey, we need time to...
Hey. Alright.
Watch out, watch. Watch those apertures.
We need help before we get upstairs. We need to go back into one of the rooms we're clear, and all the floor is clear. We're not going up there alone. Alright, follow me, Lane. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go.
Not peek that stairwell twice.